Hi everyone, this is Karen Abelia and welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video ay dadalhin ko kayo sa aming school kung saan kami teaching as a student teacher here in Talisay City, Cebu. So yung kasama ko nga pala ngayon is nandito sa aking boarding house is si Ate Panisan kasi maaga siyang hinatid ng kaniyang papa at dumiretso siya sa boarding house ko para makapag-relax kami ng kahit konti. So from my boarding house to going to the school where we assigned ay nilakad lang namin papunta doon kasi walking distance lang naman siya from my boarding house. So ayan, nung pagkadating namin dito is all around 6 o'clock pa siya and then we are just so happy and excited and yet kinakabahan kami kasi this is our first time na mag-handle talaga ng students. And kami na talaga yung standing in front of the students and we are going to encounter different types of students. Ibig sabihin doon ay magkaiba-iba yung kanilang mga attitude. But yeah, so yung school na aming assigned this time is yung Talisay City Science High School and we are so happy. And nung pag nag-start na sa kanila yung kanilang routine every day, so nagaganap dito yung flag ceremony. Before the flag ceremony meron silang prayer and there's a lot. Ang dami talagang nangyayari ngayong araw. So I am just surprised. Grabe yung kanilang practice. Grabe yung kanilang, ano bang tawag doon? Grabe yung kanilang respect. And not only the respect and the discipline. Grabe talaga. They are all participating the whole time. From the start, from the prayer up until the end. Kasi after ng kanilang flag ceremony is meron silang event. And after namin doon is nagaganap na yung dito yung aming orientation. Kung saan unang message is merong personal message yung aming president dito sa Talisay City College and we are so happy and na-encourage kami. Kasi nga nakaka-encourage naman talaga yung kanyang message and we are so thankful for that. Thank you, Mr. President. And now, the principal of Talisay City National High School are giving us a token. So thank you so much, Sir Froy, for the gift. So I am super happy and thankful lang kasi no God's sake, kakabago pa lang namin pero meron agad kaming natanggap and we are super happy and thankful for that. So yun lang. So that would be all, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye! Please like and subscribe.